Welcome back. In this video we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank, and name of that programming challenge is write a bash script which accepts name as input and greets welcome name. How we are going to do that? With the help of a shell script. So what I am going to do, first of all I will go inside a shell script. Let's keep the name of the shell script as same name what I have kept. What is the name of the programming challenge? A personalized echo. First of all, I will give insert command now. Now, our problem is write a bash script which accepts name as input and greeting welcome name. Let's start. So how we are going to do that? First of all, write an echo command. In echo command I will write enter, let's keep y as a small, enter your name, and after that to accept any name as an input we will use a read command. Read, let's keep the name as variable as name only, name, and after that we are going to display echo welcome $name. So what we learned about the read command. Through read command we can accept as an input. Right, now let's save this one. Escape :wq exclamation mark for saving data. Right, now let's execute, but let's see the first of all let's see the permission is there or not. So ls-lrt star a personalized personalized a personalized. Here I can see that read permission is there, but executable permission X is not there. So what I am going to do, I am going to give the executable permission. For that, change mode command chmod plus execute permission, and after that the name of that shell script, a personalized echo. Now check again. Now you can see that here executable permission was added, correct? Now what I will do next, I will execute the command. enter your name. I will keep my name Aditya. Welcome Aditya. Let's keep another name Bimal worked. Let's keep another name, let's say Sonia. So this is another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank, and with the help of a read command. Now this is the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the regularly updates. And in the next video again we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank. So stay tuned and keep watching ADHYAN channel. Thank you.